Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to duplicate a product listing on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have your name where we have your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases, and the logout button. We have your store where you have all of your things in the store and the marketing in the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and duplicate a product listing on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So step one is to open Shopify admin login. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your admin dashboard. Step 2 is to navigate the product section, access products. On the left hand sidebar, click on products. When you're on the products here in the left side of the screen, guys, click the product to duplicate. So find the product that you want to go and duplicate. Click duplicate, enter the new product details of the product, say the duplicate product, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.